What's up, everyone? I'm Zach. This is my homie Victor. We are outside Del Taco and we're about to try the Beyond Meat burrito, which, if you're unfamiliar, is a vegan burrito, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so it's an alternative to meat. We're gonna try that out. So we're gonna compare it to the normal meat one and see what we think. So we got a Beyond Meat 8-layer burrito, a beef 8-layer burrito, a Beyond Meat taco, and a beef taco. Beyond Meat taco, live taste test. That is really good. It honestly tastes like beef. That's really good. Wow, that is actually so good. What the heck?
All right, on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being amazing and beefy like, what is it?
This is like a 10.
10.
That's so good. What the heck?
Texture-wise, pretty similar to beef.
I think so. I want to try the real one and then compare. Now, I'm going to compare this to the regular beef taco from Del Taco. You know what's really interesting? I actually like the Beyond Meat one better. This has the distinct flavor of beef that I almost don't like, kind of like the bloody feeling, you know what I mean? So honestly, I like the Beyond Meat one better because it doesn't have that distinct beef strong flavor, but it still has the same texture and really well seasoned, so it has really good spices, and I honestly love the taste of it. So I didn't think I would actually say this, but I think I like the Beyond Meat one better than the beef one.
This isn't my first time having these. They're so good. And the Beyond Meat, basically just pea protein isolate, canola oil, and coconut oil are the main ingredients that make a Beyond Beef or Beyond Meat. So yeah, here's a taste test for you. Honestly, don't even know if this is beef or Beyond Meat. Tastes the same. Pretty good.
Taste test the Beyond Meat 8-layer burrito. This is so good. It's so good. I don't know how they did it. Alright, this is the beef burrito. Let's compare. Again, it's the same issue. The beef is just too strong. It kind of overpowers everything else. So, I'm going to go with this one again. The Beyond Meat definitely wins. Again, I strongly recommend you guys try this out. I have food stuck in my teeth. But anyways, thanks for watching this review. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like, share it, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.